Hello everyone. Today we'll see how we can remove the duplicates in a worksheet. That is, if there is duplicate data, how we can remove that. So let's start. Here we can see a table of the name of first name, last name, age, and total marks of the students of a particular school. So first of all, let's duplicate an entry, Ali Imam. So let's copy this, Control C, and here Control V. So we have copied this data here. Now we have seen that this data is duplicated here. So how we can remove that? We should select this entire table, go to data menu, remove duplicates. We will see all these columns that we have selected has been appeared. Click OK. You'll see they are saying that one duplicate value is found and removed. They removed it. Okay, and all other value remains just like that. So this is how we can remove the duplicates. Another way is I am showing you, that is, if you want to, if you select this data only, okay, that is only the first name, then from data menu remove the duplicates. They will give you a box and they will give you two options. The first option is saying that expand the selection. That means if you select this, and if you click on this, not only Ali but also the unselected uh, columns data, that is Imam 25 and 280, Ali, Imam 25 and 280, all these data will be gone. Okay, but if you select this one, which is saying that continue with the current selection, that means only Ali will be deleted here, and Imam 25 and 280 will remain just like that. So we are selecting this, that is continue with the current selection, remove duplicates. They are saying that only first name, this column is selected. Click OK. We are saying we can see that Ali is deleted, but all the data of Ali, that is Imam 25 and 280, is still here. So the Control Z, we have the same thing. Uh, just select this column from data menu, remove duplicates, expand the selection. That is, though you have selected this column, but they will expand this whole, all the columns, and remove all the data of this particular, of this duplicated person's data. Then remove duplicates. You see that all the columns are selected. Now all the columns in these, all the data in these columns will be deleted. Click OK. We can see that one duplicate value is found and removed. We know that only Ali's data was duplicated here. So one is gone, Ali's total information is gone. So this is how we can remove the duplicates.